Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths Probability Exercise 16.3 question number 20. Let's see the question. The probability that the student will pass the final examination in both English and Hindi are 0.5. So both means both English and Hindi. That means let me take English to be E and Hindi to be H. So it becomes E intersection H is equal to 0.5. And the probability of passing neither is 0.1. Neither means no. Remember that N means N no. So they have not passed in Hindi as well as not passed in English. So no means usually will take no to be complement. So E complement intersection H complement. Neither English and Hindi, neither is 0.1. So this is equal to 0.1. The probability of passing the English examination is 0.75. That is P of E is equal to 0.75. Now what is the probability of passing in the examination? So P of H is equal to what is asked. Now let me take this. Here we have a formula for P E intersection E complement intersection H complement, that is nothing but P of E union, the opposite value, F the whole complement. So this is equal to 0.1. We know the formula for this is De Morgan's law formula, we have learnt in sets. Here P of E union F the whole complement is nothing but 1 minus P of E union F. This is 1 minus 0.1, which is nothing but 0.9. Now we have got if this comes to this side, we have found the value for P of E union F. If this I take to this side, here it comes as P of E union F the whole dash, which is nothing but 0.1. So we have got P of E union F is equal to 0.9. Now we know the formula for P of E union F is equal to P of H plus P of E minus P of E intersection H. Here we know P of H, we don't know P of H. We know P of E to be 0.75. So let me substitute it here. Here we don't know P of H. Let the P of H be P of H itself. Minus, now we have know the intersection to be 0.5 and we know this to be 0.9. Solve this 2, it becomes 0. This is not 0.7. See here, it is 0.75 minus 0.5. All the decimal points should be together, so it becomes 50. So if we subtract here, it becomes 0.25, not 0.70, because most of the students write it to be 0.70. It is 0.25 plus 0.25, 0.9. Bring this 0.25 to this side, it becomes minus. So 0.9 minus 0.25 equal to P of H. So P of H is equal to 0.65. 0.90 minus 0.25. If we subtract this 2, we get 0.65. Now complete the answer as the probability of passing in the examination is 0.65. That's all with the sum. Thank you.